It might surprise you to know that 89% of children in the Dallas Independent School District qualify for free or reduced lunch, meaning their socioeconomic status makes it difficult to put food on the table. You might be even more surprised to hear that many of these same children actually dread the approach of summer break. For these children, a day at school means a guaranteed warm breakfast and lunch. It means that for at least the 8 hours they are in the schoolhouse, they won't go hungry. However, summer break comes with a lot of unknowns for these children. Summer break is not an expectant time of family vacation, endless hours splashing away at the pool, or summer camps with every type of adventure imaginable. Instead, it means long days at home without supervision, often the added responsibility of caring for younger siblings, and many days going without breakfast or lunch or much at all. It is these children and their stories that inspired me this past summer to be a part of Wilshire's partnership through CitySquare with Food on the Move. Food on the Move is a mobile meal program that delivers meals 5 days a week to kids in non-traditional sites such as apartment complexes and government housing. Wilshire partners with CitySquare at the Verandas Apartments, a complex just 5 minutes down the road. So in other words, our neighbors. Every weekday, Food on the Move provides the meals while we provide the fun to draw the children in and give them an active break in their day. For 10 weeks of summer, Wilshire members spend an hour each day during the meal delivery, providing recreation, games, and building relationships with the children in the complex. We also hold 2 week-long enrichment day camps. We kick off the summer with a science camp. I mean, what kid doesn't like to blow up stuff or build their own slime? Later in the summer, we offer a reading camp where all attendees get to take home a new book and hopefully a new love of reading as well. This past summer, Wilshire added an additional element by delivering weekend food bags each Friday. Since meals are only served on weekdays, these bags provided enough food for breakfast and lunch for each child throughout the weekend. This was by far my favorite component of the partnership, as it truly was like Christmas every Friday. I wish you could have seen the kids' faces light up at something as simple as mac and cheese. I'll never forget the first Friday I was there, a little girl looked in her bag and said, "Yes, milk." She went on to explain that many mornings she has to eat her cereal dry, as milk was a privileged commodity in her household. Non-perishable milk was one of the priciest items in the bag, but trust me, it was worth it. It was all worth it. The time spent planning enrichment camps, grocery shopping, stuffing hundreds of food bags, playing jump rope and tag in 100-degree temps. Yet these things don't happen without manpower. The partnership isn't possible without you. There are many different ways you can join in, so many jobs that must get done. Some even involve air conditioning if that's a priority. As summer approaches, I hope you will consider joining with Wilshire to help make Food on the Move a continued success. You have an incredible opportunity to make a small difference in a kid's life, yet even greater, you're sure to experience a transformation in your own life as you get to know these amazing, resilient kids. Truly the greatest resource for our future.